Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to show you a little bit of some therapy. This is some therapy right here, you guys. See that? And this isn't far from my house. This is the therapy that we all need. Yep. See this? When you can get up and do this, sit and be, then you're doing something. These are free gifts. These are gifts that we get. It's our birthright. I encourage everybody to take advantage of it. Not only will this bring peace to your soul, but it aligns you with the universe. You're in your own world out here. Yep. This is therapy, you guys. This is what a lot of people need in their lives. They need this kind of therapy. Doing this, even for a few minutes a day, is very, very valuable to the soul. Yep. This is part of being good to yourself and taking care of yourself and self-care. This is what it's all about. This is why it's provided to us, so we can take care of ourselves. Yep. Just reach outside of our comfort zones. Go outdoors. When you're not working, be outside. This is going to help a whole lot, your mental state. Yep. So necessary for the soul. There are geese out here, there's ducks, minding their own business, not having to worry about anything, just peace. Everything out here is tranquil. Yep. It is absorbing its environment. And having this type of environment, you can't go wrong. So I just want to drop in here, you guys, and show, how I kind of spend my time relaxing and finding my center and my peace. I come out here, I get on the, can you see that? Tamarack. Yep. We go out and we explore new areas. But I want to say thank you guys for visiting my channel again, showing support, believing that one day your life will change, absolutely for the better. And during a day like this, you could take time off and come out here and see what nature has to have available to you, like geese and duck and water and breeze, trees. Takes away all that chatter in your head. So again, you guys, thank you. Please like, comment, and share, subscribe. I appreciate you all. And you guys continue today. Be safe and be well. I love you all. Straight from the heart. Take care.